How to zoom out in iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on the accessibility option there. Further, under the vision tab, you will see the option for zoom. Tap on that and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for zoom, and with this, your iPhone will be zoomed out. Or you can also simply go back to your home screen and tap on your home screen thrice and you will see a pop-up. Simply tap on the zoom out option there, and with this, your iPhone will be zoomed out. So this is how you can zoom out on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.